If you're looking for children's alarm clocks, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, most popular, by It's About Time. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by EasyRead Time Teacher. Number 3, by DUOJIN. For more info about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by EasyRead Time Teacher. Number 5, by Zinnor. And online deals, for more great related products.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.